Question number 1. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? The correct answer is option A, Shah Jahan. Question number 2. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? The correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 3. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? The correct answer is option D, Mount Everest. Question number 4. Who is the head of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, President of India. Question number 5. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 6. Which is the highest judicial body in India? The correct answer is option A, Supreme Court of India. Question number 7. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state? The correct answer is option C, Governor of the state. Question number 8. What is the name of the largest bone in the human body? The correct answer is option D, femur. Question number 9. Which organ purifies blood in humans? The correct answer is option A, kidney. Question number 10. Which organization issues currency notes in India? The correct answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 11. Which sector contributes most to India's GDP? The correct answer is option C, service sector. Question number 12. What is the name of the Central Bank of India? The correct answer is option D, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 13. Which is the classical dance of Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is option A, Bharatnatyam. Question number 14. In which sport is the term love used? The correct answer is option C, tennis. Question number 15. Which Indian won the first individual Olympic gold medal? The correct answer is option B, Abhinav Bindra. Question number 16. Which Indian female boxer won an Olympic medal? The correct answer is option B, Mary Kom. Question number 17. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? The correct answer is option C, Paris. Question number 18. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? The correct answer is option B, Finland. Question number 19. Which continent has the most countries? The correct answer is option C, Africa. Question number 20. Which device is used to print documents? The correct answer is option C, printer. Question number 21. Which Indian city hosted the G20 summit in 2023? The correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question number 22. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 23. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India established? The correct answer is option A, 1935. Question number 24. Which bird is known as the national bird of India? The correct answer is option A, peacock. Question number 25. Which dynasty built the Khajuraho temples? The correct answer is option D, Chandela dynasty. Question number 26. Who was known as the Napoleon of India? The correct answer is option C, Samudragupta. Question number 27. Whose leader gave the slogan "Do or Die"? The correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 28. Where did the revolt of 1857 start? The correct answer is option A, Meerut. Question number 29. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? The correct answer is